One is docile, just wants to be warm. The other one, man, checking me out, man. Looking a little crazy. It's gonna come nice. It's gonna come nice too, Philip. Nice settle. The other one's coming pretty alright as well. Nice good. First youngins from a new pair. Nice jet black. There's no fade or grey. Straight jet black. Beautiful. Believe it or not, these photos still hanging around. And let's see. You can actually see that one is going to be a red saddle. A nice red saddle. Well, fingers crossed. That's beautiful. I can't ask for better than that, I must say. Yeah, I have for better than that. Nice red saddle. Hopefully it's a head. We've got this massive young, doesn't it? Looks like a wolf. Nice. Saddle pair of the onions. Open blue. Nice light blue in the back. Nice light blue in the back. Yes. Nice and calm. Throwing the feathers.